Hi, everybody. Today is March 3rd, and we are just getting ready for our midterm exam. When you look at the schedule for our class, you can see that we are at the Friday right before our midterm exam, and that in a perfect world, homework number 4 would be turned in today. So I will work on getting those graded very soon. So I just got your message, Grant. I get it. So we'll see what happens. Okay. So anyway, so we'll go ahead and take a look at what's going to happen when we get ready for the midterm exam. I have that assumes that you've done the homework for chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that you've done quiz number 1, which covered chapters 1 and 2. So we're clear down here at submit homework for number 4. And our next section is our proctored midterm exam. So there's several times next week that you can take your exam, and you can take it with me face to face, or you can take it over Zoom. Now, if you have to take it in our usual class period, which is 1 till 2, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I can split it up for you, so you can take 2 problems of the 4-problem test, 1 period, and then 2 problems of the last 2 problems during the other period. So you can choose to be there on 2 of those days, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or you can extend that time and take it in a 2-hour block, either from noon to 2 or 1 to 3 on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, if none of those times work for you, you can, I always do a last minute in case things go to heck period, and you can take it with me from 2 to 4 on Friday as well. So what I'm getting at is that you have several choices. I'd like you to send me an email by the end of the day today to tell me what your plan is for taking your midterm exam, and then I'll make sure that that I have all of your materials ready. Whoops. Oh, Brant says he lost sound. Okay, let's see. All right, I'm going to go ahead and keep recording. And if he's not able to join me this way, then he'll be able to watch the recording later with the rest of you. So anyway, continuing with that, how do you prepare for the midterm exam? The best way to prepare for the midterm exam is to do the homework, do the quiz, and then study by there will be 4 problems that I will have available to you that will help you prepare for the midterm exam. They'll be posted right here. I kind of thought I already posted them, but I will make sure to get that squared away. So do those 4 problems, and that way you will be able to be prepared for the exam. The next thing I'd like you to do is to spend quite a bit of time putting together your study sheet. Your study sheet is a single sheet of paper, regular size, like a piece of engineering comp paper, and you can write anything you want on it, front and back, as long as it's in your own handwriting. So you can't, for example, have someone else write it for you, and you can't photocopy material from another source. So the exam itself will be 4 problems long, and they're equally weighted. So there will be 1 problem from each chapter. In statics, chapter 1 was kind of a conversion factor. So we may talk about vector math or something like that, but the problems are equally weighted regardless of the difficulty of the problem. So to get ready for it, just make sure that you have all of your material with you, that you spend some time putting together that study sheet. And then, of course, you let me know when and how you want to take your midterm exam. And I think I said final at one point, and that was just a mistake on my part. So not taking finals this week, but your midterm exam. All right. So do you have any specific questions for me or anything I can help you with before we move forward, if there's anything at all?
Do I need to know how to do a vector cross product of just 3?
Yes.
Okay.
You do. There will be a cross product. And it may show up as a math problem, it may show up just in evaluating and determinant, but being able to do that, whenever I do a cross product, I always set it up as a determinant, then evaluate that determinant, but that's, my personal preference. So, because it works the same both ways, then it works the same if you're doing it as a math problem, or if you're doing it as a determinant to evaluate a moment, for example.
Sounds good.
All right. So like I said, if you spend some time putting that sheet together and you spend some time working through the review problems, you will be well prepared for the exam. And of course, I'm going to be back on campus all of next week. So if you need anything, I'll be available to you face to face or still, of course, via Zoom. And I will be in the classroom all of those periods as well. So just let me know if there's anything I can help you with, and we'll get you straightened out. All right, well, that's it for today. I'm going to stop recording, and there we go.